So I've been to this event for about 6 or 8 times, and every time we learn from each other, we meet other people that do the same job as me, and we learn about services and how to better ourselves in terms of services.
We've never been to such a forum before, so we're coming in open-minded, but we're just looking to see if there's anything we can take away and possibly improve for our front of house services within our firm.
It's a really nice group of people. They're all really friendly. Bill's great, so you always know that you're in for a good evening, whether it's the quizzes and obviously the learning side, but the fun side is very important too.
I came to the last event in the summer, and that was my first experience, and it honestly was probably one of my favourite events.
I think the most important thing that I get from an event like this is actually meeting somebody in another company who does the same job or similar job to I do, and also to see another site as fabulous as this and to learn something.